Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to import data from NetSuite into your spreadsheet. I'll be showing you this on Google Sheets, but keep in mind that this is available on Excel as well. So first, I'll open up the coefficient connector. Next, I'll go to Import From and select my NetSuite. There are 5 different ways of pulling in data from NetSuite. First, you have your records and lists. Now we can select the name of our record. I'm selecting my account. And here on the left-hand side, you can uncheck your different columns, apply your filters, or even rearrange them. Then you can go ahead with your import. Great, so that's our first import. Now we can go ahead and set up an auto refresh. Let's do our next import method. Going back to my NetSuite, I can select datasets. So if you already have these built out, you can just use the name to search it up. Again, very similar view where you can uncheck any of the columns you don't need, and you can still proceed with your import. As you can see, all of these imports come in as its own separate tab. Let's move on to the next import method. Here we have save searches. This is actually quite common and quite popular among a lot of our users. And very similar to datasets, you just need to search up the name of your save search. Again, you have the same view where you can uncheck your different columns, you can drag and drop to rearrange them, apply your filters, and then you can do your import. Here we have our import. Now we can go back to NetSuite, and we can also show you a couple of our standard reports. Here we can pull in the general ledger, the income statement, as well as the trial balance, and the comparative income statement. So let's grab the income statement as an example. You can change your reporting period, accounting book, change your view mode if you have a different class, subsidiaries, departments, and even apply your filters. Again, we can proceed with the import. Last, we have the final import method of using the SQL query option. In this case, you can use NetSuite's SQL query option to pull in data and write your own custom queries. So I'll do a simple select all from account. The preview is very helpful in making sure you have the syntax right. Again, once you're happy with the import, you can go ahead and go import. All right, that sums up the NetSuite connector. Hope that helps.